सर्कुलर परम्यूटेशन होता है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पढ़ो क्या लिखा है जोर से.
In how many ways can 6 persons be arranged in a line and in a circle?
लाइन का आंसर बता दो, तुमको पता है.
6 factorial.
हाँ, एक लाइन बनाओ, उसमें 6 लोग दिखाओ. लोग का नाम है ABCDEF. ठीक है. Why it is 6 factorial? Why? Explain why it is 6 factorial.
The first person can occupy any of the 6 seats. The second
Correct.
person can occupy any of the 5 seats. 4 seats, 3 seats, 2 seats, 1 seat. This will be 6, 5, 4, 6 into 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1, which is 6 factorial.
It is 6 factorial. ठीक है. Now, what happens if you want to arrange them in a circle? Now, the problem in a circle is, see, why? अच्छा, let's go to the basic question. First person has line में first person had how many options?
6.
Why there are 6? There are 6 options.
Because there are 6 seats.
Because there are
6 people.
6. No. Why he had 6 options? मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. Not because there are 6 people. Because there are 6 seats.
Places.
Correct. Now my next question is, how is place 2 and place 4 different from each other?
Place 2 is starting from a different point. That's
Yes,
why
because
place
there is an
two
end
is
point in a line. There is an end point in a line. There is a starting point. There is an end point, right? So you can mark those position as position number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? That's how the position number 2 and position number 4 are different. But in a circle, the first person who is going and sitting, there are 6, let's say there are 6 chairs around a circle, okay? 6 chairs. Just don't make ABCDEF, just make 6 chairs around that circle. ठीक है? Empty chairs. Is there a chair which is starting chair and is there a chair which is ending chair? No. Right? That is a problem, no?
Yeah.
But the moment you, तो पहले वाले के लिए all seats are same. So
Yeah.
let's go. A goes and sits. The moment A goes and sits, A को बैठा दो एक पे. So how many options did A have?
6.
Not 6. 1. Because for A, in the line, A could differentiate between position numbers 2 and 4, right? In a line, A could differentiate, A could tell whether he is sitting at 2 or whether he is sitting at 4.
Yeah.
But in a circle, you can't say which is 2, which is 4.
Okay.
So he has only how many options?
1 option.
One option. ठीक. The moment A goes and sits, this symmetry is broken. Now you have seat numbers.
Okay.
You have a particular seat which is left of A. You have a seat which is right of A. You have a seat which is 2 left of A. You have a seat which is 2 right of A. You have a seat which is 3 left of A or 3 right of A. So every seat has a name now.
Yeah.
Now there are how many people left?
5.
How many seats are there?
5.
So the answer is
5 factorial.
yes. So whenever you are doing something in a circle, the basic concept is you let one sit and break the symmetry. You let one sit and then break the symmetry, and then you let others sit. In your book, it is given as n minus 1 factorial, right? It is n minus 1 factorial, right?
Yeah.
But don't remember it is n minus factorial. Remember the logic. क्या logic है?
Break the symmetry.
Break the symmetry, and then
Solve now.
then simply do. Usually 90% time it will come n minus 1 factorial. Understood?
Yeah.
ठीक है? Okay. Now you do fifth. Read and do.
In how many different ways can 20 different pearls be arranged to form a necklace?
There is one more twist here. There are 20 different pearls.
20 different pearls. Yeah.
So what do you think it is?
First person's hat. So now it's 19 factorial.
19 factorial. See, there is a difference between a table and a necklace. Table ko you can only see it from top. Basically, necklace you can see it from both sides.
Clockwise and anti-clockwise.
So therefore,
So like if I'm holding a necklace, you can see, so like my B will be your D. Yeah.
okay, understood? So that's why your इसका आंसर क्या है? Are you over counting or under counting? पहले तो ये बताओ.
With this.
अच्छा ठीक है, ये नहीं समझ में आता तो एक काम करो. Arrange ABC in a line, in a circle. Simple question. ABC in a table, around a table, how many ways are there? ABC around a table, A, B and C around a table. 2 factorial. Make those 2 factorial cases. नाम लिखना है ना ABC, हाँ A, B, C और A, C, B, ठीक. C both A, B, C. हाँ B सही है, ठीक. एक केस में A के राइट में C बैठा है और लेफ्ट में B बैठा है. दूसरे केस में A के राइट में B बैठा है, लेफ्ट में C बैठा है. ये दो अलग अलग केस है,
Yeah.
राइट. बट अगर यही चीज़ ये टेबल के अराउंड है, राइट. बट अगर ये नेकलेस होता,
तो ये दोनों सेम होते हैं.
ये दोनों सेम है.
हाँ. Correct.
So when you're doing 19 factorial, over counting or under counting?
Overcounting.
Over counting. You should divide by
2.
2. Yes. Understood? The answer of fifth is 19 factorial by 2. We'll just check, okay?
It is correct.
Yeah.
Correct. ठीक है. Same देख लो. 6th का क्वेश्चन पढ़ो.
In how many different ways can a garland of 16 different flowers be made?
Same thing, no?
Yeah.
ठीक. 15 factorial by 2. What if those two, so let's say people are there around a table and the table is on earth,
Okay.
then answer is 5 factorial for the first case.
Yeah.
But if there's a table in space, space has no gravity,
Factorial by 2.
then 5 factorial by 2, because space has no gravity, there is no concept of up and down.
Yeah.
Okay? ठीक है, मिटा दो और क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 कर दो. क्वेश्चन पढ़ भी देना, ठीक है? क्या है?
There are 5 men and 5 ladies to dine at a round table. In how many ways can they seat themselves so that no 2 ladies are together? No 2 ladies are together.
Make 10 spaces. Mark the spaces which will be occupied by ladies.
No.
Only one more, no? देखो. बस हो गया, डन.
Yeah.
अब बताओ कैसे करोगे? स्टार्ट करो क्वेश्चन. देयर इज सर्कुलर सिमेट्री.
Yeah.
एक को ले आओ, बैठा दो किसी एक को. किसको बैठाया?
And
M नहीं, M1.
oh, sorry.
No, all ladies are different, all men are different, no? Of course, मतलब by
अच्छा, इसके- okay.
that goes without saying, no? All people are different. हाँ,
So now the rest of the men can be arranged in 4 factorial ways, and the ladies can be arranged in 5 factorial ways.
yes. Whom did you bring first?
We brought the ladies first.
Really? You said M1 is bring from आया ना? You said M1,
We brought M1.
M1,
Yeah.
and then
No, but we put ladies first, no, where the ladies can sit.
ठीक है,
Then
okay.
we put a man. And we said the rest of the men can occupy the remaining seats.
Okay.
They can occupy in 4 factorial ways.
Okay, you broke the symmetry by bringing what?
Man.
A man, M1.
M1.
Could you have broke the symmetry by bringing L3?
No.
Why?
Because L3. Because we don't know where, we have to first find where everyone else is sitting. We have broken the.
See, without even designating the seats for L,
Yeah.
you can bring M1
Yeah.
and break the symmetry.
Yeah.
तुम फिर से बनाओ सर्कल के आसपास मिटा दो. वैसे जो लिखा है वो मिटा दो. अभी देखो, तुम ना सिर्फ M1 ले आओ,
Huh?
M1 ले आओ, बैठा दो कहीं पे. द मोमेंट यू ब्रिंग M1 एंड उसका एक स्पॉट डेजिग्नेट कर दिया, सारे M का और सारे L का स्पॉट डेजिग्नेट हो गया.
Yeah.
यस और नो?
Yeah.
हो गया ना?
Yeah.
So instead of M1, could you have brought L1 also? Answer to ये
Yeah.
question, yes,
Yeah.
because the moment you bring L1, all the space are
We decide
designated.
where it's sitting.
So it doesn't matter whom you bring to break the symmetry. Okay? आंसर विल बी अभी भी आएगा ना 4 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 5 फैक्टोरियल. अंडरस्टूड?
Yeah.
ठीक है, थैंक यू. प्लीज डू एवरीथिंग.